Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie. We have a special guest today. We have Teresa here with Sipology. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Robbie.
I'm so glad to have you. What is it you guys do?
So Sipology is a company where we sell loose tea, all natural loose tea. Like this green one, this pineapple rum cocktail. It's all natural ingredients, so it's really great for steeping in all kinds of liquid. You can steep it in hot water and cold water, which is what I did for this drink that we're going to be making. We could even steep it right into the rum.
Nice,
Yes.
nice. Is that what you did for this drink?
I didn't.
But you could.
But you could, yeah.
All right.
So this drink,
Yeah, what are we making today?
we're going to make a pineapple rum sour.
All right.
So I cold steep this tea, about 8 ounces of water in this very lovely green tea that Robbie was so kind enough to show. Mm-hmm. We're going to put some lime juice in here. So this is 8 ounces of tea. We're going to put in 2 ounces of lime juice, and we're going to put in a couple ounces of that silver rum.
All right, so we're making this for 2, so I'm going to put 4 ounces of rum in this.
I like it.
Tom Cruise.
That's why I come to this place.
Because of Tom Cruise?
No, because you put in extra rum.
So wait, before you do anything
Yeah.
here, what is this contraption?
Oh, this contraption is really cool. So it's measured, it's graduated.
Cool.
Okay? So you can mix up your drink. You can also we have dressings and other kinds of things, but you can mix up your matcha, and it's got a strainer, so that way if you were to put ice in here, it'll strain it.
Let me see. So this thing right here strains.
And and helps to mix as you shake it.
It's about the size of that truncated part of that glass, and then it's just lets you do everything. You steep it in that too?
You could steep it in here too.
That's so cool.
It is pretty cool.
All right, and that's available on the website.
It sure is. That website being sipology.com/theteas, TEAS, leave off the last E.
Cool, and I'll put that link in the description below.
So then we just shake that up,
All right.
and we're gonna pour it. See, I still have some tea leaves floating around in there. See, and then you've got this lovely little.
That is super cool.
Couple little leaves there floating, but that's all right.
That adds to the look of it. That's part of what makes it real. All right. Well, thank you so much for doing this drink for us today.
I'm
What was
so
this called again?
This is called a pineapple rum sour.
The Pineapple Rum Sour. The recipe for this drink will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and Sipology's website. Don't forget to find their products online, find our rum in your local liquor store, and we do tours of this facility. We also have lots of other playlists on this channel, taking you to various rum drinks, behind the scenes stuff that we're doing at the distillery, and just, I don't know, whatever I can think of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Teresa, for being here.
Thanks for having me,
Cheers.
Robbie. Cheers.